Welcome to Bayn by Ora, and yes, this is the beachfront. So we are going to have beachfront mansions here. They aren't launching yet, but we are looking at potentially reserving you one. So get in touch with me. My details are below. So this is a really exciting new beachfront project. It is coming by the well-known developer from Egypt, Ora, and they have actually sold projects in Oman. I actually was selling those personally myself 18 years ago. So I've actually worked with this developer, sold properties off plan until they were completed, and have a lot of happy customers. Now in this project here, and I have done another video, so check out the link to my other video that goes into detail on the actual model of the community. This is a massive community. This is beachfront villas, you've got townhouses, you've got semi-detached, you've got detached villas, you've got a sports area, you've got buildings of offices, buildings of apartments, you've got a 200 berth marina, lagoon facing mansions, you've got a school coming. There's so much more, and this is just the beachfront because it's actually pretty unique, this ocean front here. And I mean, it actually looks like I could be off the coast of Zanzibar or the Maldives or the Seychelles, and I'm not. I'm here in the UAE. So really the reason for this video is for you to visualize what is coming. And if I just turn around behind me, you can see this is the plot of land where the project is going to be built. So it is just off plan at the moment. It's a community in the making. Lots of exciting projects here and properties, great payment plans. All the details are below. Thank you so much for watching me as always. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.